Master, help.
Help you? Really, help you must die? Is that what's going on? Help you must die.
The Chavez Rivera slaving syndicate has sent their champion, Douche Canoe, to fight. I have used the last of my energy to fight the day-walking, pansexual, lesbian, asexual vampires. What do I do, O wise master?
Dirt Star!
Douche Canoe.
Finally, we find out if the wisdom of your priaprism Illuminati can handle the might of the Chavez Rivera Syndicate. Dirt Star, you need to know before you strike. I am.
What?
I do not want to make some Andy Sedaris meets Quentin Tarantino Star Wars ripoff, okay? People are tired of violence, okay? We need something relevant, something topical, something uplifting.
Oh, and I suppose you have a better idea.
Yes, okay. So we fade in and...
Typical.
Juliet, my love!
If you tell me that you love me like the moon and stars, I'm gonna rip your nuts off and make them into earrings.
But Juliet,
I'm sick and tired of waiting for a man to complete my life. I should be able to make my own decisions, rather than determine my identity through the patriarchy.
What is this patriarchy you speak of, my love?
It is a system in which men determine what women do for eternity. And what's with this dress? It's completely impractical. How am I supposed to move in this?
But my dearest, I can take you anywhere. I'm all yours.
Oh, hell no.
What? What is wrong with that? It is a modern take on a classic
I'm just tired of inserting modern politics into period pieces. If a woman said something like that back then, she'd get lobotomized.
So what? She's supposed to have no say in how she lives her life? We put that up on the screen, okay, we're gonna get fucking canceled.
Oh, and I suppose you're gonna want a sex scene too. I'm not putting gratuitous nudity into my script, okay? Because we're better than that.
Mash them together, you wankers. Dirt Star, you need to know before you strike. I am your father.
But I can give you so much, my love. You're my beautiful little desert flower. I could take you to the ye old cheesecake factory. There's just nobody else in my life I could possibly Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, did my heart love till now, forswear I sight. For I've ne'er seen such true beauty till this night.
What?
My lips, two blushing pilgrims, ready stand to smooth that rough touch with a tender kiss.
Well, I never really played for that team before, but I'll try anything once. Come on, big boy.
Come, my love.
Wait, what? I thought I was the love of your life. Hello? Hello? Ah!
I'm out.
You know, a lot of people are saying you should probably look down. You should join the Purple Squad We're really the best. We're the best in the world.
Fuck you!
Cool. I won $3. Don't blame me, I voted for Pedro.
Oh my God, that is Waterworld meets Ishtar.
Yes, and now we just need to submit it to one of those film contests where you pay to make a movie, and then you pay again to watch the movie you just made.
Oh my God, that is better than your idea for Titanic 2. Where are we gonna find a contest like that?
So, you enjoy filmmaking?
Yes, very much.
I mean, good written story, good production value. I mean, good crew. I mean, what else more can you ask for? Wait, what? Sorry, what? This production? Oh, hell no. I don't even know why I'm here.
Do you hate your co-star?
Yes, very, very much.
We're really trying something different with this. I mean, you can only remake Texas Cannibal Chainsaw Hooker so many times. Okay, I really think this one is going to be our magnum opus.
How many years have you been making films?
Yes, very much.
The craft services here is absolute bullshit.